Want to create a high school football poster like this? Let me show you in Canva. Open Canva and click Create. Choose Custom Size. Set unit to pixel. 3600 on width and 4800 on height. Create new design. Go to Element and choose Frames. Choose the square frames. Increase the size. Click on the background and change to the theme color. For example, I will choose this yellow. Go to Text. Scroll down to Typography. Type the first name of the player. Change the font here. I will use Freshman. Enter. And choose this one. You can choose any font you like. Change the text color to the same color as the background, which is this yellow. And then scroll down. Click Custom. Scroll down again and click this type. And then I will drag it to the bottom. And then add to design. Place on the top. Increase the size. Click anywhere here and type the second name of the player. Change the font to the same font. Change the color to yellow. Go to Custom and choose this type. And then drag it to the top. Add to design. Move it here. Increase the size. Make sure there is no lines here, so move it to the bottom a little. And then go to Element. And type here black blur. I will choose this one. Flip vertical. Place it here. And increase the size. And send it backward. Now upload your photo. Add the action photo here. Drag it to the frame. Double click on the frame to adjust the position. And click down. And then add a full body photo. Remove the background. Reduce the size. I'll place it here. Add the team name here. And the player statistic here. Add the class here. So now we have it. You can use it for your own poster or sell it as template. Alright, see you next video and have fun with Canva.